I'm very excited about this masterclass. I must thank Travel and Leisure for organizing it. Has been a good event. We have a good turnout. I think Sanjeev Kapoor did a wonderful job. So thank you, Travel and Leisure, and also I want to thank the Leela Ambience Hotel for hosting this event.
So Masterclass was a master event and the Leela Ambience Gurugram and Residences had a great pleasure of partnering with the Travel and Leisure and having the most iconic chef India has today, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. I'm sure people who were here laughed a lot, enjoyed a lot and have learned a lot. And in all of this, we have had a great evening.
Singapore Airlines initiative is something that I've always enjoyed. Interacting with people and cooking and giving them a taste of what goes on aircraft when it comes to food, and Travel and Leisure putting all this together along with the Leela Hotel. A fun evening for me.
It was interesting, it was inspiring, and it was exciting as well. It was great to see the people coming in, and also it was fun to see people participating in it. That was what I liked best about it.
In fact, more than the food he cooked, it was the stories he told that was very exciting.
It was lovely standing there because I was that close to him. So yes, he still continues to inspire, and the best part was hearing all the stories that he came out with. It was really interesting.